Guys, hi guys, look at how beautiful this plants are. I just put them. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. And they are so not so cheap. Like cheaper than even the flower store. I just quickly rushed it. I'm so excited. Let me put them in the pots. I even took this pot there so I can measure the exact size of each pot. So this one is for this pot's perfect. And this pot is for this perfect. Yeah. And I have another pot for that. Those will be in the bedroom. This the bar. And that to replace my elephant plant by the door, the window. Yep. I'm happy. Just came back. It's 9 p.m.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey guys, Happy New Year once again. It's the 7th of January. Yeah, and today we are going shopping for flowers, replacing some of the plants that are dead when I came back from Africa, when we came back from Nigeria. Some of the plants are dead, so we're going to be replacing some of them, and my herbs and just overhauling. I know I look like a mess, but I was doing laundry when Obi said, let's quickly go now. It's a Sunday, so the shops will be closed in an hour and a half, so I want to quickly run there and check a couple of stores and just pick up what we can find. And by next week Saturday, by next week weekend, we are hosting a friend of ours, a couple friend from the island. They were in our class, in our premarital counseling class, so we've never met them. We've met them just online, so they'll be coming visiting with their baby next Saturday and staying for 3 nights. We are hosting, so of course the house has to look its best. So we replace, as our garden home, we are replacing the plants. I have a lot of empty pots. That's what I'm doing today. I will take you guys along, of course, later. So what is mine? So now we're going to IKEA to check their plant collections.
Toen de dingen vandaag, zodat ik ook...
Yeah, to buy plants, our dead plants. Is a new year. We are doing New Year shopping to replace the plants in our house. Instead. What size?
17.
Also, this will fit. This will fit, and it will grow bigger.
How to...
It will grow bigger. Does it need sun?
Half sheet. Denk ik. Ja?
Ja.
Oké.
So we are coming back for this set. Maybe something pink.
Ja, die hebt hem ook gedaan, het wit.
Something with
This
white.
is wit. This is also a nice plant.
What is the size?
For in
12. In front of the bar.
No, down. At the TV.
Okay, yeah. What size is it? 12 again?
Yeah, that will fit you.
Okay, that was 13.
Yeah.
So it will fit. Okay.
And we should just also buy ourselves a new just orchid. It's always nice.
Where will we put it? On the bar. It will be too high.
Maybe on the thing in the hallway.
So we know we need 2 of this, and it's already €8.
Yeah, come, let's go.
This one looks like orchid. You can stay at the bar.
No,
This can stay at the bar, P12.
this one. I will just different color.
Yeah, right. You can sink it.
Come, huh?
The plant size is 12.
This I like this one.
No, it's 10.5.
Is that? I think it's the same price.
No, it's not.
It's this one.
They are the same.
They're not. They're not. It's not the same.
It's 10.5. Won't it be too small in that place?
And you want it to be more over.
I want it to like come out. Since the pots are small.
Yeah. And then go for something like this.
That's what I was thinking. Is that 10.5? Yeah, this is nice.
But let's go to IKEA now. You know what I have.
Oh, this is nice. I like this, babe. Measure it. 21 though, it's very big. It's bigger than our pot. But I like it. And it's shorter though. And it. Babe,
What's
the
that?
bar.
For the bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
But look at it. It was 13. So it will
12.
fit.
12.
Something with like this. Oh. Babe, this will fit perfectly on our dining, the two sides of the. This will fit and it has red in it. You see, it's nice. Oh, I love this. I'm buying this.
Let's go.
So, guys, we are going to IKEA to check. Is this real?
I like it, yeah. I really like it.
At the entrance. I already have a nice plant at the entrance. If you want to put this at the bar,
It's too big. I don't want big things now.
so we check out IKEA. Then come back. This is close to our house. We can come back and compare. Yeah, everybody has bought. I think everybody waited for their plant to die. Yeah, and this is a new year. It's the 7th, guys. 7th of January. So we are going plant shopping. We just left on back. It's an hardware store. So we'll be going to IKEA. Compare the prices. This one is close to our house. That's it there. We compare prices, the one that has lovelier things. Most of my plants, when I went to Africa, most of my plants died.
Just one.
Yes, one, especially one, but before I left, I had to throw away most of the little ones because there was nobody coming. I paid one of my colleagues to come clean the house and water the plant just a couple of times. But the little ones died off. So the very big one that I really love, I want to replace that and replace all the little ones I threw away. So we are going to the flower store now. After IKEA. Then we make up our mind. So it's like an overall, I need like 10 to 12 plants and herbs. So there is a lot of it. But my babies will be replaced and I've seen some nice ones that I might go back and pick. But let's see. Let's see what IKEA has to offer. Later, guys. So we're here in IKEA, checking out towels, bed sheets, bathrobes. Check this out, guys. I'm fine and fluffy. Toilet side. You don't like that?
What?
That toilet thing.
Hey.
What about this? This brown. What about this grey?
I said it's so old-fashioned.
Why? But we have it.
Yeah, I don't like it. I do not like it at all.
The one we have.
Yeah.
That's why we need a new one.
No, because all of them I don't like. They are old-fashioned. They're like the Middle Ages.
But that's what people still use. You step out of the bathroom, you step
The
into
most
a
dangerous thing in the whole bathroom is actually that thing that you step on. because that is slippery to the
No,
floor.
it's not. It's
It
not.
is.
It's not. I want a new one. Look at that blue there. Since you said that one is old fashioned,
What is wrong with the blue one you have?
it's not a set. I want a set like this and this,
These match.
but it doesn't have the other part. And it's just a towel.
This has a special coating to it.
Yeah, you can't sleep on this one, but it's super less soft, but it's expensive. 25 euro.
I
Good
think by the
things
time
are
we're done with
expensive.
you, and that's over 1,000 euros at the cafe.
You know that already. I'm expensive like that. Try these bathrobes, they aren't cheap. 30 euros is too much. We've splurged, guys. We've bought so many things. Pillow cover, throw, bed sheets, duvet cover. This one is a throw pillow. Throw, the throw thing you throw on top of the bed sheet. This is not bad, but it doesn't have the toilet seat cover. So if you see white hanger, maybe you draw one. The way your shirts are coming more. Now you give it out for thrifts or you. I'm always struggling when I'm ironing, looking for hanger. That's our shopping. Now let's go and look for plants. Finally, we came for plants and we've done a lot of other shoppings. Bed sheets. Yeah, we came for plants and for bed sheets. So we've gotten enough bed sheets. Those are it. Bed sheet, throw pillow covers. So now we go for plants. Look at that, it makes sense. It opens up and closes. Which one? Where? In the center.
We now have our dirty carpet.
How much is it? How much is it? 399. 400. But it's really large. It's larger than
No, it's not larger. I like it.
so that you can mess it up again and
Yeah, you can mess it up again.
no, the cheap one is
Huh? Oh, that one, yeah.
I prefer
I think this one will look really good. Huh?
there's a lot of them. To look good. I just browsing, guys, because we're not buying any carpets anytime soon.
Or you think it's too low?
I think it's too blue. I'm thinking about something like the way it was now, but it's not bad. But it could pop. You know, we bought the first one was too blue. Remember,
Oh,
it was too blue. We now took it back because it was like clashing with the one at the dining. Yeah, finally, plants. Bring out the tape measure. Plants.
12 centimeters.
Do you like it? But where? They don't have enough like Umber.
No, I
I
know.
can see what
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want. I think everybody emptied it out after the Christmas. But those ones are not bad.
These on the loudspeakers.
What size is it?
They're small. I can't read. Can you read that?
Yeah. I think they bought everything here. These are just leftovers. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. And those are the fake parts.
Huh?
Those parts are for the fake ones, right? So basically, we didn't find much. What about this one? This is where they water them. Easy. These are the stands you talk about. See them up. That can take different plant stand.
Yeah, but this is not.
But that's what we want, babe. Should they bring it down for us? It takes 3. Or we do 3 pots can stay.
Yeah, but
Or you buy this one 20 and all our we can arrange up. Or these 2. White. But I like this one because it goes with our stand. Something like this or this. This is really beautiful. 3. But if you don't like it, it's fine. We'll check it on back. Alright, let's check it on back. Anything to eat?
huh?
Nothing to eat. Can we review what we bought? Because our money will be super high.
I think I want that.
You sure?
Yeah.
I think we have everything. We have this realities. Yeah, just
Yeah.
an idea fan.
Yeah, because I like that thing very, very much.
Do we have this?
Yeah, we have.
We have Oh, that is my hope. We have everything. Keep moving. All our shopping. Yeah, we are done from Accra. We are done. We are going on. We didn't see much plants, but we saw a lot of other.
It's allowed to help.
No, it's not. I'm freezing.
No, you're just filming. Check the side of the car for damage. Because that car was so clean.
No, it's fine. I thought you were driving off without me.
No, the person there.
We are home now. We splurged on beddings. We upgraded all our beddings. This is like a throw on top of the bed at the duvet cover. These 2, they are both throws. Very nice. We throw this one for the guest bed. And for the guest bed, we're using hotel white. Yeah, we bought hotel white. I fell in love with just plain white walking in the hotel. We put this throw on top of it. So nice. And pillow cover. This pillow protector. When we bought the racking, the mattress cover. Then this for us is double-sided. Both clean, flowery, and clean. We got 2. And also this. So it will look really good. We upgraded. We are throwing out all the old ones, some of the old ones. And also, this is my best buy. This one is like suede, very pure and nice. And I laid the bed. We're able to buy just 2 plants on top of the speakers there. I still need a lot more. So we'll do that within the week, hopefully. Yeah. I found it in Abatine. All the nice plants. I found it in Abatine. So I'm buying it. So excited. course, this fake one on the dining is still there. Nothing touches it. It's just perfect there. So I'll leave it there. And the one at the entrance, of course. Yeah. And this other one by the sides too there. The dry one. Oh guys, look at that, all my new plants, all my new flowers. I just overhauled all of them, and this is my regular weekly, every 2 weeks flower. And those are my plants. That's the mint, the basil, and the peterselli. I didn't find the thyme and the rosemary, so I replaced them with this nice flower in the middle. So those are my herb stand. Then my elephant plant, this replaced it, and all these other ones will be spread around the house. The entrance, all these three will be in each of the rooms, the windows of each rooms. This will be there, and these two will also be on those speakers there. This will be on the dining. I changed the pots. Look at that, it will be on the bar rather. It will be on the bar there. I'll just spread it around the house. This is at the entrance. This also at the entrance. And this big one is the only surviving one. Wow. It's still there, growing massive every day. We need a new pot for it because it's really growing large and large. So I'm going to be arranging it around the house now. Lovely, lovely. I love. I'm so excited, guys. So excited. My garden home is back. The real ones. So those are the real ones. This fake one at the center at the dining table is still here. Still looking lovely as ever. And the one on the side. Happy New Year. These are the dried leaves, the dry plants. Dry flower, rather. These are the dry flowers. They are still here. I brought that from Africa. I made that in Africa. And these two turtle, the new things addition. The light, the new addition. Just we upgraded the place a bit. Just added some new things in the house. Yeah, most especially all my plants. Yeah, so excited. And of course at the entrance, this massive one is still here. The fake one. The others are real. We got that light from the house at home. Just here to finish it. And we also got the lights from our old house. We are going to sell it off next week. The sale will be concluded rather. That lighting is from the house. And also that lighting. We are yet to finish fixing it. Those are the things, and those beds there. Those are the things we got from our old home. Yeah. And of course, we brought in the TV to the guest bed. So the TV, the guest bed now has a TV. And look at that, guys. Looking all nice. Getting set for our guests. That's my design right there. Isn't that lovely? The dog at the side, the dog on the bed. So these are workstation with TV inclusive. Yeah, that's set for our guests. Duvet cover. The throw is so lovely. Love. All white. Everything is white. Nice and smelling fresh. That's the price of them. Enjoy the vlog. And the flowers are all set. I'll show you guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next.